Hello everyone, did you get a chance to learn German language in one of the greatest institutes like Goethe? Kein Problem. In this video, I'm going to explain to you in details all the negative articles. We have learned all the indefinite articles, we have learned the definite articles, and now in this video, we are focusing specifically on the negative articles, okay? And our area of focus today is kein, keine, and kein. Okay, kein, keine, and kein. I'm sure you have been seeing all these articles, and now here are now the explanations of these articles. I don't want to waste much time. Let's start right away. Now, as you all know, these articles in German language, they are divided into genders, okay? And as you know, they are three genders. That is male, masculine, female, feminine, neutral, and we also have the plural of these. We have masculine, feminine, neutral, and plural. So, in relation to negation article, yani negative articles, I want you to understand one thing. Kein, it is for masculine, okay? Kein is for masculine. Also, this kein is also for the neuter nouns. Neuter nouns. They both take kein, masculine and neuter. Then keine. Although when you pronounce it, you are supposed to pronounce it as keiner. But for the sake of A1 level, I'll pronounce it as keine for easy understanding, okay? So this keine or keiner, it is specifically for feminine nouns, okay? Feminine nouns. It is also for plural nouns, keine. Keine, it is for feminine nouns and plural nouns. As you all know, negative articles order negation article, they mean it indicates that there is absence of something, okay? And in this case, our main focus are the nouns. So if we are talking of something that is absent, that is missing, we are supposed to use this article kein if it is for masculine, and if it is for natural, kein, and if it is feminine or plural, keine, okay? Specifically for nouns. Now, let's start talking about this masculine, which takes a der article when it is definite article. Remember, they are definite articles which are der, die, and das. Then we have indefinite articles which are ein, eine, and ein. Now here we have now the third part of the articles, which is negative articles, kein, keine, and kein. Now let's start with masculine, which takes a der. These nouns, for example, der Apfel, der Tisch, der Stift. We want to make a shorter sentence to use now negation, the negation articles. Now we will say, ich habe kein Apfel. Ich habe kein Apfel. I don't have apples, or I have no apples, okay? It means no. I have no apples, okay? Ich habe kein Apfel. Remember, if we had these apples, if I had these apples, I would have said, ich habe ein Apfel. Ich habe ein Apfel. I have an apple. Using now an indefinite article, okay? But now that I don't have, I will replace this indefinite article with a kein. I will just add this K. I'm using this K from indefinite articles. The secret here is just to add K. So it will be, ich habe kein Apfel. Let's use another example. Der Tisch. Mary hat kein Tisch. Mary hat kein Tisch. Mary has no tables. Remember this kein, it is just I have just added a K, this syllable, this consonant K in Dutch, but in English it is K. I have just added it at the beginning, okay? See, it is very important for you to understand the indefinite articles before you understand this now, the negative articles, okay? Because now in negative, we'll just add K. This is specifically for der, okay? Let's proceed to das, the neutral nouns. For example, das Buch, okay? Das Handy. Remember, all these are neuter articles. They take a das in definite articles, but now in an indefinite, they will take ein. But now when we go to negating them, we will just add a K at the beginning. So we'll say, ich habe kein Buch. Ich habe kein Buch. I have no book. Okay? Or we can also say, ich habe kein Handy. Ich habe kein Handy. Okay? I have no phone. Okay? We'll just add this K, this car, okay, at the beginning. As I have told you, masculine and neuter, they take the same article, both in definite and now here in negation articles, okay? Now, let's proceed to feminine articles. Feminine articles. For example, zum Beispiel, die Tasche, the bag, okay? If I want to use this negating articles, I will say, ich habe keine Tasche, okay? Remember what I have just done here, I have applied the knowledge of indefinite articles whereby feminine, they take eine, and now that I want to negate it, I will add K, okay? This K, car, okay? And I say, ich habe keine Tasche. Next, let's talk about the Lampe. The Lampe, okay? I want to say, I have no lights. I will say, ich habe keine Lampe. I have no lights. Remember what I have just done? I have applied the knowledge of indefinite articles whereby if it is a feminine noun, I will use eine, and now that it is in negative articles, I will add now this K, okay? And my sentence becomes, ich habe keine Lampe, okay? We can also talk about Flasche. As you all know, Flasche is the bottle. I want to say I have no bottle. I will just say, ich habe keine Flasche. Okay? Ich habe keine Flasche. What is happening here? You first look at the noun that you want to talk about that is in this sentence. And now you ask yourself, is this noun a masculine, a feminine, or a neuter noun? Okay? After answering yourself the gender of that noun that is ahead, or that is ahead, or that is after that you are talking about, you will now apply the knowledge of indefinite articles to give it. If it is ein, just tell your mind ein goes with masculine and neuter. But if it is a feminine, it is eine. Now that you are negating, you will just add K. That's the only secret. I have done a lot of videos on all these articles. Go back to my playlist and watch all of them for easy understanding. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. I really appreciate your time, your support. If this is the kind of content you'd like to watch, kindly comment in the comment section. Let me know how you are feeling. Let me know your questions, and I promise I'm gonna answer all of the questions in the comment sections. Anyway, thank you so much. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Bis morgen.